chicas!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going back to our roots. What are we doing?
We're going to be doing an eyeliner tutorial. It was requested by a lot of our followers like a few weeks back.
And back when we did lives too.
Mm-hmm.
It's been requested a few times. So today we're not going to do one eyeliner tutorial. We're going to do two. My favorite and her favorite. Mm-hmm. On her eyes and her eyes only. So she's gonna do a liquid eyeliner, which is your favorite, and an eyeshadow eyeliner, which is my favorite. And we're gonna look them at both eyes and and both eyes, and we're gonna compare them.
Yeah,
and see which one we like. You guys are gonna tell us which one you like better.
Really, this is, and just to preface before I get started, this is all for like beginners. So if you are not comfortable with eyeliner, it is something that maybe you've never done or just been too scared to try, this is a really great way to learn because of how I'm going to teach you guys how to apply it.
All right, so just give yourself a PhD, why don't you? With that being said, you guys, let's get started, chicas.
Yup. I'm gonna kill her.
All right, y'all. So it's time to get started. And I will be displaying what Ilian is explaining.
Yes.
Oh, that rhyme. All right, go ahead.
All right. So the first thing you're going to need is a angled brush.
Yes.
And so the angled brush is obviously more specific to like for liner. So make sure you have that because I'm going to be doing one eye with liquid eyeliner and the other one with an eyeshadow. So you guys are going to learn both.
Ooh, hold on. Sorry. Okay. I had an itchy nose.
Okay.
All right.
You all right now?
I'm good.
Okay.
Thanks for waiting.
I'm also going to be showing you guys my two favorite eyeliners. They both work relatively the same, apply really nicely, apply really smoothly. The one eye I will actually be using today is the Kat Von D Tattooed Liner. Ooh. By far my favorite. That's like up there. And then the one close, almost tied with it is the one by Benefit. It's called Roller Liner. And it has like the same tip. I will say that I feel like the pigment on the roller liner is a little bit darker. But I think the Kat Von D Tattooed Liner one has more of a matte finish. So if you want a more matte finish, go for the Kat Von D one. If you want one with a little bit of gloss to it, you're going to want to pick the roller liner. But they're both great. I love them both.
I just tested them on my hands.
Yeah, they're great. They're my favorite.
The Kat Von D one is like thinner.
Yeah, it's a thinner line.
It's like a thinner line. Interesting.
And that's why I like the Kat Von D one, is because I like a thinner eyeliner look. I don't like it like crazy thick. But either way, they're great.
Well,
so, and then for the eyeshadow liner, I'm going to be using the Sultry palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to be using the shade Noir, which is just a matte black color. And then my tip that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, it's my little secret.
Oh, this
is she's so excited to show you guys, is tape. So if you have Scotch tape, any type of tape really works. You can even use painter's tape because it doesn't it's not harsh on your skin. Sticky notes work. I've seen people use the sticky notes. I don't prefer them, but you can if you want to. The tape I'm going to be using today is a double-sided tape. It's more of a fashion tape. It was just one I've had hanging around for some time.
Garment and body adhesives with dispenser. So fancy.
So, and then just for purposes of showing you guys, I think it's a great one because it has a white, I don't know, like a white.
Well, it doesn't have a white.
It has white on it.
Well, that's not the tape itself, though.
No, yeah, but it has like a white cover for the other part of the adhesive. So it's a great way to show you guys like how everything kind of applies. So
yes, I pulled it off a little. So you can tell. Sorry.
So we'll go ahead and get started. Whoop, whoop. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply the tape. So you're going to take one of your pieces and you're going to align it with your bottom lid, and then you're going to angle it upwards to kind of match where your eyebrow ends as such.
As such.
Yeah.
Looking good. Ready to go out?
Okay, so you're going to take the eyeliner pen, and where I start is right at the top. Actually, don't start at the bottom. And so you're gonna want to go, do you see how like where my crease is? So I'm gonna go a little bit above it, and you're gonna go along the tape. I'm gonna start right where that little mark is, and then I'm gonna bring it down to meet my eye. And it's okay if you get it on the tape. That's kind of the reason it's there, so that it still creates the sharp line. So I went ahead and I switched over to the roller liner because my Kat Von D one I think was out. So I'm gonna go in with the roller eyeliner, and again, they work literally the same. So after I've created that first line, I'm gonna take the pen and I'm gonna start a little bit below from where I started my liner. And then I'm going to bring that line out to the middle of my eyelid. Or I'm sorry, yeah, the eyelid towards the eyelash line.
Don't.
As such.
Ooh.
So that's how I create it. And then I'll go in, and before I bring the eyeliner all the way around, I'm going to fill in that triangle piece. And try to stay within the lines.
It's like filling in a picture.
Mm-hmm.
I shouldn't talk to you, sorry. This is a big moment for her. She does not talk during eyeliner.
No, I don't. I don't talk during eyeliner. And so I can already tell that the liner from where I started from is, I need to like bring it up a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead. And I'm going to fill it in a little bit more on top. Okay. And then now I'm going to bring the eyeliner out to kind of shape the rest of my eye. Some people decide to leave it like this. I have done looks where I leave it like this, but when I'm wearing kind of a subtle eye like I'm wearing today, I like to make sure that the eyeliner kind of goes all the way out. So then you're going to follow that line, that bottom line that you created, and just shape it. Make sure that when you put the eyeliner, you're shaping it to your natural eye. You're not creating a more thickness, because I have seen that with a lot of people, is they create such a thickness that you take away from your eyeshadow. And one tip is I don't bring my eyeliner to the corner of my eye, because eyeliner will create an illusion of a smaller eye. So I just try to make it even across the board. And then I kind of bring it into my actual lashes to where it kind of blends in. That's the first part of the liquid eyeliner. All right, so even though this is not the eyeshadow liner, I still go over my gel eyeliner with black eyeshadow to give it a more crisp and matte finish, because I really like a matte finish with eyeliner. So I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to dip it into that black shadow in the Anastasia Sultry palette. You guys can use any black eyeshadow. It doesn't matter. As long as it has a matte finish to it, it should be fine. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and don't take too much, but I will take whatever is on my brush, and I'm just going to cover literally everywhere that there is gel eyeliner. I am going to add the black eyeshadow right on top. And it fills in any of those like little gaps that you may have created. And then I know one of like the bigger trends that's going on right now is kind of that smoky eyed eyeliner. So I'm going to do a little bit of it so you guys can see it. So you guys can leave it as is, or you can do this next step. So I'll take again a little bit of that eyeshadow and I'm going to add it to the tip of my liner. Just a little bit. To give it a little bit of that oomph. And then my favorite part is literally just to strip it off. And then it's like perfect. It's a perfect cat eye. Okay, so for the eyeshadow liner, personally, I prefer this one if I'm going to do a color eyeliner because I feel like it's a lot easier to blend into the look, but I have always done it. I have also done it with a black eyeshadow if I want to create like more of a smoky eyeshadow look. So
That's what I like. That's what
for those of you that maybe just don't have a pencil because you're like, oh, I just want to get used to doing the eyeliner first, this is a great way to start. So again, grab your black eyeshadow or any of your darkest eyeshadows and grab a angled brush again. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this look. So I've added a little bit of that black eyeshadow onto my angled brush. Again, if you guys have watched several of our other videos, always start light and then darken up, because if you mess up, it's a lot easier to fix when it's a lighter color versus when you've gone in way too dark. So again, because it's my right eye, I don't start at the top. I actually start at the bottom and carry it up.
Really?
Yeah. I'm backwards.
I start at the top both eyes.
No, I'm backwards. I know. But I'm gonna start at the bottom and carry it to match this eye. Okay. Happy with where it is there. And then again, I'm going to start to create the triangle look. I'm going to start a little bit lower from where this liner ends, and then I'm going to carry it out towards the center of my eyelid closest to my lash line. So again, I'm starting a little bit lower. And carrying it out. And then you fill in. Grabbing a little bit more. Filling it in. And then again, I'm going to carry it out to shape my eye. Follow your natural eyelash line. Make sure it's even. And then I'm just filling in all the little gaps. And again, I'm going to carry this up just a little bit. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead, and this is my favorite part. And there it is.
I returned from my islands of Narnia. No comment?
No, none.
Well, I'm back. I'm better than ever.
Obviously.
Your peace has ended. The tranquility. Oh, that was a big word.
Palabra de domingo.
It's not domingo.
It can be, though, is what I'm saying.
For domingo?
For domingo.
Oh, okay. Tranquility, y'all. Use it in a sentence. Use it in a phrase. Do whatever your heart desires.
We just hope, or I hope you guys learned something from my tutorial today. I hope, you know, if at anything you guys learned the trick with my tape. That's my favorite tip that I probably will give, because it's like the secret to making sure you get that.
I think the word you're looking for is snatch.
Yeah, I was gonna let you fill in the blank.
But overall, I love how it came out. I think it looks beautiful. I can barely tell the difference. I prefer the liner. What do you prefer?
You prefer the liner?
Or I prefer the eyeshadow.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I prefer eyeshadow. Sorry.
No, I prefer liner 10 times over anything. The only time I actually prefer eyeshadow liner is when I'm doing a color eyeshadow or color liner, because it does create a softer look, and sometimes I smoke it into the eyeshadow.
Smoke it in. Sounds like she's making ribs.
That sounds good right now.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. But anyways, because I will like smoke it into like the eyeshadow, so it helps.
Let us know what you like better. Do you like the eyeshadow or do you like the liner? You were going backwards.
Yeah,
with me.
I
That's
was.
Okay. But anyways, we hope you guys really enjoyed today's tutorial. We're gonna try and mix it up a little bit here and there. Tutorials popping in every now and then, but I'm excited for the next one. We have the next one planned, and it's me. It's me. It is I am doing it. So stay tuned for our next tutorial. Make sure you guys comment your favorite eyeliner, whether it's the actual liner or eyeshadow. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on those post notifications. Follow us at The Real Pena Sisters. Remember, your eyeliner, your eyebrows, and yourself and your best friends are sisters,
not twins.
And we will see you guys at our next video.
Bye, chicas.
Mwah. You thought we were gone?
We are not.
Because she just had a face that's frozen. But we have one more giveaway. Tell them what they're getting, Ilian.
You guys can enter for a chance to win a Calvin Klein crossbody purse.
Woo! It is a beautiful red orange Calvin Klein bag given to one lucky follower. We want to thank you all so much. If you have already entered this giveaway, we've got a great response for it. We definitely know what you guys like to see as far as giveaways go. But if you haven't already, it's not too late, because the deadline to enter is Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I was waiting for you to say.
Mountain
because
Standard
you were
Time.
adamant about this Mountain Standard Time.
Sorry, Mountain Standard Time.
So make sure you guys enter by 11:59 on Thursday at Instagram.
At The Real Pena Sisters.
Woo! Go find the picture in our profile of this beauty, and go ahead and make sure, 1, you're following us, 2, you like this photo, and 3, you tag 7 friends in that comment section below. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to our channel and turn on those post notifications, and the winner will be
announced
on
Friday.
Oh, that was good.
That was good.
We didn't even rehearse, you guys. That was like on spot. So the winner will be announced Friday. We're going to do a live IGTV video, and we will announce that one lucky winner. Reminder, if you guys don't live in our area, don't worry, because we will
mail it to you.
I think the word is ship.
Ship, mail.
Ship or mail.
We will get it to you.
We'll find a way to get it to you. Come high waters or something like that.
We will get it to you.
We'll get it to you guys. Don't worry. But make sure you guys enter that giveaway. Again, reminder to enter by Thursday at 11:59. And okay, now we're done.
Now we're done.
Now we're done. So
bye, chicas.
bye, chicas.